Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Thursday, Thirsty Thursday, and we're just a few days away from St. Pat's Day, so we need to make a drink and we need to make it green. So I think we should probably use some Midori. Now, if you don't have Midori on hand and you just have like the bottom shelf liquor, that's fine. That's what I normally use, so like your melon schnapps or whatever, but I actually have the good stuff today. We had a grocery store that was going out of business several months back and they had a really good sale on this, so I got the good stuff today. So we are making a Midori Splice, which when I was looking for green drink recipes, I ran across this and it said that it tasted just like Splice ice cream, which I have never tasted, so I have no idea. But I looked it up and it looks like a popsicle. What it reminds me of is a dreamsicle. So it has the vanilla ice cream on the inside, and instead of the orange outer shell, it has like a melon, like a green. So I'm thinking it must taste like a dreamsicle, but melon instead of orange. So that's what we're making today. We need 1 ounce of Midori. Now I've already got my ice in. Let's see if I can get this open. I've got my ice in my shaker and I've got my cocktail glass filled with ice as well. So we need 1 ounce of Midori. And then we need 1 ounce of Malibu rum. This bottle's almost empty. And then we need 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So this is a 2-ounce shot glass, so 1.5 of those. And then we're going to go ahead and shake this up. And then we will strain it in our glass. Pouring it all over the counter. That is pretty. And I think I may have, well, I don't know if I have too much or not. So the other thing that this gets added to this is some heavy whipping cream. And it just goes right on top. Oh, that's kind of pretty. And then, of course, we need a little garnish here. And I got the wrong cherries. They don't have the stems on them, so I'm a little disappointed about that. But anyway, that's still cute, right? All right, so we got to give this a try. And I think I should probably stir it up so I get a little bit of the cream in there. That is my favorite so far of all the drinks I've made for Thirsty Thursday. This is my favorite. I've never had Splice ice cream, so I can't tell you if it tastes like that or not. But I can tell you it's delicious. It is. I love the fresh flavors, of course, of the melon and the coconut and the pineapple. But it's like it's a creamy drink. And you know what would be really good is if we froze this and did like a frozen drink. It'd be perfect by the pool, but it's still winter time. We're not by the pool today. But if we can't have summer, at least we can have summer drinks, right? Yeah, that is really, really good. And you know, because it's almost like dessert-like, it'd be cute if you served it in like little parfait glasses too. Anyway, give this a try. Make it for St. Pat's Day. Make one, have one for me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.